Tayo glad sa panda. Wow! Ah, Pogi. Hi, Pogi. Jay, baka mahulog kayo, nak.
I see flowers. Go get it. Okay. Let's pick up the flower. You pick up. Flower.
Andrew, that's for mommy.
Flower.
That's for mommy.
Bye, side.
Thank you.
In my picture.
I picture already. Oh,
Picture, please.
okay.
Let's see what we're gonna climb a mountain.
Okay, I help you.
Okay, thank you. Bro! Look! What side? Look. We're not even close. We even walk a mile and we're not close. Let's come down. My head is gonna
Glad, pwede tapalang lukulok ka rin, oh. Tapos, maganda na lang tamang tambakan.
Watch out! Let's go, guys!
Say excuse, Andrew. Nano?
Ah, Sarah, punta kayo.
Uy, dire-diretso kayo rugukin.
Kate! Kate, come here. Come on!
Kate, be careful na. Pwede ka mag-check-in ka, no?
Ay, wow. Be careful. You're gonna fall. Wait for me! You're gonna fall. Wait for me, okay?
Two, I will hold you, nak.
Hey, Mama, come say. I'm floating.
Jay! Oh, be careful. Jay, can you wear your sunglass, nak? Jay, picturean kita dito. Jay, picturean kita dito, nako. Yan. Yan. Sunglass ka na. Sunglass.
Hindi ko na.
Oh.
Ini naman, Ma.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, Ken. Jan. Mag-sunglass ka. Iwala mo na ka-sunglass siya. Ah, ay picture kay Andrew. Drew. Ganyan ka, Drew.
Hindi pala maganda sa paa.
Lambat ka!
Shh, uy, quiet. Ikaw lang maingay. Quiet lang sila dito. Ay, walang water. Ikaw pa mo pamito.
Weapon ko nini.
Drew,
Can I go here?
you like to go there?
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go there.
Wait. Where's mommy? Let's go.
Picture kay baby ko.
Let's go.
Picture kita dyan. Pose ka, pose.
Yan! Let's go kiss my house.
Paano? Si Kuya AJ nandun sila, oh. Oh, be careful.
This rock is kind of heavy. Look, you want to touch it?
Oh, let's go there na. Let's go there, ah.
Like the Nokia.
Baro, chick.
Let's go over house. Let's go, Kenneth. Let's go.